Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a rear foot elevated barbell split squat. So the whole point in elevating our rear foot is going to be having a little more range of motion. So when we come over here, what we're going to do, go ahead, unrack the bar. We're going to put one foot back, elevate it just a little bit, one foot forward here. And notice on my split squat, I am not tight roping. So I'm not one foot right behind the other. I am here, nice hip length apart, going to slide back. And then from here, we're going down, kiss that knee to the ground, and come back up. Just like so. Pretty simple. I do like the barbell just because sometimes holding on to kettlebells, if you're doing some sort of, goblet hold or, your grip strength can be a little bit of a limiting factor. So if you want to go heavy on your legs, push your legs, get the load on, the bar is there to help. If you guys have any questions, please feel free, leave them in the comments, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.